USI. Be one of us.
Alright, good afternoon ladies and gentlemen. We'll be having two games for today's Bukal Season 3. First game, Seniors Division, USI versus NCF. Next game would be NCF versus Daraga National High School. Shout out daw kay Com Mark Dasal from Gualandi, from the table officials. Happy viewing po. Shoutout sa pinakagwapong coach ng NCF, Coach Apple. First possession. Stealing violation. USI now with the ball. Quick three-point attempt. No good. Number 35 dribbles. Attacks into the key. Loses the ball. Number 3 with a lob pass to number 6. Number 6 against 2. Quick pass inside. Hits the board but not the basket. Number 23. Euro step into a reverse layup. 2 points for number 23. And that's the first point of the game. Stripped away by number 35 to number 8. Misses the layup. Number 6 with a comeback. Back-to-back points for NCF. Number 6. Rejected. Stolen by number 3. Number 23, dribbles, attacks against all odds, straight into the basket. NCF now on their 6-point lead against Lob USI. Number 30, dribbles, bounce pass inside, 5 seconds to shoot. And the first foul was called. Foul number 8, first personal foul, first team foul. No good for the first attempt. NCF now driving the ball. Dribbles to number 11. To number 23. Back to number 8. 10 seconds to shoot. Stolen by USI. Number 6. Running like a wind. Quick pass to the side. Loses the ball. Recovered. Intercepted by number 11. Quick pass to number 23. Once again, attacks. And that's the third point of number 23. Out of bounds. Number 8. Bounce pass to the side. Number 35. With a fake pass and shoots. No good. Number 6. Recovering. Attacks. Still no good. Number 6 with a rebound to number 11. Quick pass to number 35. 9 seconds to complete the shot. 9 seconds. Number 35. Quick release. Another attempt. Number 23 rejected. Recovered. Number 6. Number 6. The number 11 with a quick 3-point release. 3 points by number 11. Running score 10-4. A 6-point lead of NCF. Number 8. Bounce pass to number 35. The number 8. Pump fakes. 5 seconds to shoot. Shot clock violation. Turnover. Number 6. Dribble. Attacks. And a foul was called. Foul number 6. First personal foul, second team foul. And he makes the first one. And he completed the 2-point play. That's number 11 of USI. Number 8, the number 11. Number 6, attacks. No good. Number 6. The number 11, from long range. And another foul was called. Foul number 11. First personal foul. Third team foul. And he makes the first one. No good for the second one. And he makes the third. USI slowly crouching against the Tiger. Now under 2-point lead. Number 26. A revenge 3-pointer. Didn't connect. Number 6 looking for someone. Dribbles. Number 6 with a quick jumper. And another foul was called. Foul number 12. First personal foul, fourth team foul. Warning for penalty. He makes the first one. Loses the ball. Yes, I. Now with the opportunity to change the favor. 5 minutes remaining time for the first period. Number 3 attacks against all odds. Followed up. Still no luck for your third attempt. Number 11 with a quick release. 3 points by number 11. USI now on the lead. Number 13 loses. Recovered. That's a backcourt violation. Turnover. Number 6 to number 22. Quick pass to number 3 with a quick release. No good. Rebounded by number 13. Number 12 bounce pass to number 30. Straight into the hoop. Number 6 to number 3. Quick pass inside. It intercepted. 13 seconds to shoot. We're on the first deadlock of the game. 13 seconds to complete the play. Once again, 13 seconds. Number 6 loses the ball. Turnover. Number 12. Number 26 with a quick release. 3 points. Number 11 loses the ball. Recovered. 10 seconds to shoot. 5 seconds. Hook shot, no good. Number 30, bounce pass to number 12. Into an easy layup. NCF now reclaiming their throne. 3 minutes remaining time. Number 6 drives, shoots, and a foul was called. Foul number 12. Second personal foul, penalty. No good for the first one. He makes the second. Number 30. Attacks. Loses the ball. Number 1 with a recovery. Still no good. Number 11 with a quick release. 3 points once again by number 11. Closing the gap with 1 point. Number 1 turns around, pivots, and that's a traveling violation. USI once again with an opportunity to change favor. Number 3. The number 6, pump fakes. 10 seconds to shoot. Number 11, to the side from downtown. Nothing but net. USI now on the lead. We are witnessing a seesaw turn of events inside. The number 13 turns around, shoots. And a foul was called. Foul number 1. Foul number 13. Penalty. First personal foul. Number 1, first personal foul, penalty. He makes the first one. Number 30, generating a play. The number 26, number 30, attacks, no good. Rebounded by USI. The number 3, dribbles against number 23. Number 6, with a jumper, airball. Number 11, quick pass to number 23. Loses the ball, and that's a turnover. Substitution. 1 minute remaining time. Number 22, number 6, number 3, number 22. 10 seconds to shoot. With a quick jump shot, straight into the basket. 40 seconds to play. The number 11, pump fakes. Foul number 3. First personal foul, first team foul. 14 seconds to shoot. 29 game clock. Number 6. 10 seconds, turns around and shoots. Shot clock is off, 20 seconds. Nice shot. 4 seconds. And that's the end of the first quarter with the score 24-19 in favor of USI. Currently watching the first game for today's Bukal Season 3, USI versus NCF. Next game would be the Juniors Division, NCF Tigers versus Daraga National High School. USI's basketball. Number 30. The number 22. The number 11. Number 29. Number 11 with an open fire. 3 points. 100%. 3 points. Stolen. Yet intercepted once again. Number 6 against all, rejected. But the whistle was blown. Foul number 12. First personal foul, first team foul. He makes the first one. And he nailed the second. Running score, 27-21. Number 22. The number 30. Quick release. No good. Number 30. Loses the ball. Number 29, the number 22, the number 11, 10 seconds to shoot with a side step, and that's the first miss of number 11. Number 11, diretso with a layup, didn't connect. Number 11, attacks with a Euro-step, throws the ball into the air, turns around, shoots. What a shot by number 12. From long range, no good. Substitution. Number 29, the number 30, the number 22, number 11, no good. From long range, misses. Number 6 with a quick rebound, baseline drive, steps into the line, and that's a turnover. Number 12, the number 22, the number 29, number 30, traveling violation. Number 8. The number 11. Shoots. Still no luck. Breakaway pass to number 11. Yet intercepted. Number 30. Into the key. Straight into the hoop. Stolen once again by NCF. Slight. Slowly reclaiming their jungle. Lap pass to number 13 from the outside, pump fakes, baseline drive, double dribble, turnover. 6 minutes and 51 seconds remaining time. Running score 29-23. A 6-point lead of USI. The number 11, pump fakes. Line pass. 9 seconds to shoot. Once again, 9 seconds. Number 30, warning for faking a foul. Number 30, no good. Rebounded by number 13. Blind pass inside. Jumps straight into the basket. 6 minutes remaining time. Number 30. Number 8. Foul number 22. First personal foul, second team foul. Substitution, USI. Easy play for NCF. Number 6, number 3. 10 seconds to shoot. Releases. No good. Number 1 with a rebound. Number 8. The number 1. Fires. No good. Rejected. Number 6. Attacks with a reverse layup. Still no luck. 16 seconds to play. Substitution, NCF. 16 seconds. Traveling violation. Tigers ball. Number 8 driving the ball. Looking for someone to pass. Pass to number 1. Number 35. Easy pass. Number 6, dribbling the ball. Passes to number 29. Number 29. 10 seconds. Easy 2 shot by number 7. Number 1 loses the ball. USI ball. Substitution. Remaining time 4 minutes in the second period. Number 29 drives, loses the ball. Number 35 pass to number 8 for 3. No good. Number 19. Pass number 1. No good. Number 12. Pass number 6. Stolen by number 8. Number 6 drives the ball. Shoots from mid-range, 2-pointer. Running score, 2 minutes and 47 seconds of the second period. Foul. Blocking foul by number 12 of USI. Second personal foul, third team foul. Running down. 5 seconds to shoot. Shot clock violation. USI ball. Number 6 dropping the ball. Looking for someone to pass. Pass to number 3. Dribbling the ball. Pass to number 6 again. Number 6. Traveling violation. Number 8. Sets up for a pass. Number 19 for 3. Banga. 2 points. My mistake. Number 3 passes to number 6. Number 6 setting up for a pass. Blind pass to number 3. Number 3. No good. Number 35 drives the ball. Shoots. Misfire. Number 6 pass to number 3 with an easy layup for 2. Running time 1 minute and 17 seconds of the second quarter. Number 8 for 3. Running score 37-34 in favor of USI. Foul. Foul number 35. Third personal foul. First team foul. Shot clock 14 seconds. Number 12 to number 6, mid-range shot, no good. Number 8, pass to number 23 with an easy layup. 35 seconds remaining in the second quarter. Number 29 to number 6 to number 12, stolen the ball. Easy layup. Change favor. Shot clock is off. 15 seconds. Substitution. Number 6 driving the ball. Euro step pass. Number 12. Change favor. 7 seconds. 5, 2, 2.73 seconds remaining. 4-3. That's the end of the second quarter with a score of 39-38 in favor of USI.
to USI, be one of us. Come to USI, be one of us.
Points. Number 6 against number 30. The number 22 releases. Good. Number 12. The number 23. The number 30. Back to number 23. Fires a tree. A dagger through the heart. Number 22. The number 11. Pump Fix. attacks to number 22, inside. Number 12, from the board, straight into the basket. Number 12, number 23, back to number 11, baseline drive. And the foul was called. Foul number 12, third personal foul, first team foul. Number 6, from long range, no luck. Number 6, dribbles, bounce pass to number 11, grabbed by number 6. Number 6 against number 6, and the whistle was blown. Foul number 6. First personal foul. Number 6 of NCF, warning for technical for unsportsmanlike behavior. No good for the first one. He makes the second. Number 6 throws the ball into the air. No good. Number 23 to number 12. Loses the ball. Number 12 to number 23. Number 6. No luck. Number 6. From downtown. No good. Number 11. To number 23. Straight into the basket. Number 11, hook shot, nothing but net. Number 11, number 12, back to number 23, attacks. No luck. Substitution. Number 6, running score 48-43, a 5-point lead of NCF. Number 6, with a quick jumper, no good. Rebound for the second attempt, fadeaway shot, rejected by number 23 against all odds, and the foul was called. Foul number 6, second personal foul. Third team foul. Substitution. USA. He makes the first one. And he completed the 2-point play. Running score 50-43. 6 minutes remaining time. Number 3. The number 30 turns around. Pivot shoots. No good. A saved back out of bounds. Lab pass. The number 22, the number 6 with an open fire. No good. Number 30. The number 8. The number 23 turns around, pump fakes, loses the ball. And a foul was called. Foul number 23. First personal foul. First team foul. Substitution. Number 30, the number 11, with a quick and easy layup. Five minutes remaining time. Number 6, pass to number 3. Number 3 drives the ball. Pass to number 22 for 3. Number 8, dribbling the ball. Pass to number 30 to number 1. Number 1 back to number 30 for 3. No good. Foul. Foul by number 22. Second personal foul. Fourth team foul. Warning for penalty. First shot, good. Second shot, in and out. Number 29. Pass number 22. 22. Good. Remaining time, 4 minutes and 8 seconds. Number 11 with a Euro step. No good. Out of bounds, USI ball. Substitution. Number 29 dribbling the ball. Passes to number 30. Pump fake. Pass to number 22 for 2. Running score 50-53 in favor of NCF. Number 13 drives the ball, foul. Foul by number 29. First personal foul, penalty. Two shots. First shot, no good. Second shot, no good. Number 29 passes to number 11 for 3. Bang! The score is now tied with a remaining time of 3 minutes and 10 seconds of the third quarter. Number 8 with a revenge three-pointer. Number 11 once again setting up for a pass to number 29 with a layup. Foul and one. Foul number 13. First personal foul, second team foul. Number 29, in and out. Number 12 driving the ball. Passes to number 13 to 35. 35. Good. Foul by number. Foul number 3. Second personal foul, penalty. First shot is in. Shoutout po kay Lani at Jackie. Happy viewing po. Second shot, no good. Same ball. 20 seconds to complete the play. Number 29 to number 3. Ten seconds to shoot. Six seconds. 6 seconds to shoot. Five seconds to shoot. Timeout, USI. Back to the ball game. Running score 55 to 59 in favor of NCF. Five seconds to complete the play. 5 seconds. Number 8 passes to number 35. Number 35 to number 8 for 3. No good. Stolen by number 8. Number 8 pass to 35, loses the ball. Turnover to number 11. Number 11 passes to number 29. For 3. No good. Number 19 to number 13. With a layup blocked by number 30. Number 29. To number 3. For 3. No good. Time remaining 1 minute and 8 seconds of the third period. Number 8 to number 35 for 3. No good. Offensive rebound by number 8. 10 seconds. Shot clock. Number 11 to number 22. Oh. 40 seconds. Substitution. 37 seconds remaining in the third quarter. Running score 59 to 55, still in favor of NCF. Number 30 passes to number 3. Number 3 drives the ball, no good. Shot clock is off with 16 seconds. Foul by number 3. Third personal foul, penalty. Second shot. Second shot is good. Substitution. Time remaining 14 seconds. Again, 14 seconds remaining. Stolen by number 8. Number 8 with a layup. It's good. 9 seconds remaining. 5. End of the third period. Defenders versus fingers position. Shout out po kay Kyla TV. Back to the ball game. And we're back to the ball game. We're down to the fourth and final quarter of the match. You are still watching USI versus NCF, stolen by number 23, the number 11. Running score 62-55. a 7-point lead of the NCF Tigers. Number 6, what a reverse shot but didn't connect. Number 3, the number 22. Medic. Number 13, the number 3. 10 seconds to shoot. Baseline drive, 5 seconds. Quick release, no good. Number 11, loses the ball. Number 6, drives, the number 30, the number 6. Number 6 turns around, throws the ball. 9 seconds to play, 9 seconds. Five seconds. Number 13. What a shot by number 30. Number 29. Dribbles. Generating a play for his team. The number 30. 10 seconds to shoot. Quick jumper, no good. Number 23. Number 30 to number 6, pump fakes, throws the ball straight into the basket. Timeout, USA. Timeout remaining. 1 timeout for USI and 3 timeouts for NCF. Once again, 1 timeout remaining for USI and 3 timeouts for NCF. Back to the ball game. Next game would be NCF Tigers versus Laraga Defenders, Juniors Division. Number 12, the number 29, 10 seconds to shoot. With a jumper, no good. Number 35. The number 30. Inside, the number 6. Turns around. Another attempt. And he makes it. Number 6. Number 7. Foul number 23. Second personal foul. First team foul. Lab pass to number 22. Quick pass to number 12. 10 seconds to shoot. Inside, intercepted by number 6 to number 23. Into the key, straight into the basket. Number 6, driving the ball. Number 6, no good. Same ball. Second shot clock. Intercepted by number 30. Number 30 with an easy finger roll. Number 29. Number 12 turns the ball over. Substitution. Running score 72-55 in favor of NCF. Stolen by number 6. Number 6. Pass to number 29. No good. And ball. Basket count. Foul by number 26. First personal foul. Second team foul. And the three-point play is completed. Substitution. Running score 6 minutes and 5 seconds in the fourth and final quarter. Number 6 pump fakes and foul. Foul number 30. First personal foul. First team foul. Second shot. Second shot is good. Number 6 dribbles the ball. Passes to number 12. Number 12 to number 11 for 3. No good. NCF ball. Number 35 passes to number 6. Pump fakes, turn around. Jump shot, good. Number 6, mid-range shot, no good. Number 35 passes to number 6 for 3, no good. Offensive rebound by number 11. Number 11 to 26. 26 to number 23. Bang. Running score 78-50 in favor of NCF Tigers. Number 11, Eurosteps. Foul. Foul by number 11. Second personal foul. Third team foul. Number 6 dribbling the ball. Passes to number 12. 10-second shot clock. Number 22. 5 seconds. Number 30 loses the ball and turns it over. Number 8. Number 26 for 3. Air ball. Number 6 driving the ball. Number 6 with a layup. Foul. Number 1. Second personal foul. Fourth team foul. Warning for penalty. Substitution. First shot. No good. Second shot is good. Number 1 holds the ball. To number 30. Number 30 mid-range shot. No good. Rebounded by number 1. Number 3. Number 12 turns the ball over. Yes, Ice basketball. 13 seconds. Shot clock. Number 12. 10 seconds. Number 3 generating a play. 5 seconds. Didn't connect. Number 26 with a quick rebound. Dribbles. Eurostep into a reverse layup. And a foul was called. Number 30, second personal foul. Second team foul. No good for the first shot. Number 6. Foul number 24. First personal foul. Penalty. He makes the first one. Number 24, second personal foul, penalty. Substitution for USI. No good for his first shot. No good for the second one. Heavy rebound by number 13. Number 13 to number 12 to number 26. Inside to number 24. Turns around to number 12 from the outside. 2 seconds. Number 12 with a comeback. And a foul was called. Foul number 7. First personal foul. Third team foul. No good for the first shot. That's one chicken in the bucket.
Last 2 minutes!
Alright, ladies and gentlemen, we're down to the last 2 minutes of our fight. Number 3 with a quick release. No good. Smooth rebound by number 19. Number 19 loses the ball. Number 6 with a recovery. Pump fakes. Rejected by number 24. Substitution. Number 12. The number 19. From long range. Nothing but net. Number 14. Stripped away by number 12. Number 12 with a quick and easy layup. Running score 84-60. Number 12. The number 14. Number 14 with a quick release. 3 points. Seconds to play. Number 19. "11 seconds shot clock. 11 seconds. No good. Medic. Number 12, third personal foul penalty. And he makes the second one. Six seconds. the match with a score 84-64. Winner, NCF Tigers.